Oh. Yeah, that's totally senti. So the magma is rising. Ooh. Orbital system. Actually, we're not playing this. Don't press the button. Don't press the button. Okay. I press the button and now I'm here. Imasaninya. Oh, I don't know. It's me. Press button. Oh, ouch! How did I die? And I don't even have a knife. Ouch! Definitely. Ah, he has a knife. Where am I? Where? Let's go trick or treating. I would. Yes. I have a chef's hat. Wow. Why do I have a chef's hat? And my chef's hat grew bigger. Don't move. Okay. You cannot move. This Simon says where am I? Actually, I'm not recording this. I saw Senti play this. And I'm a big fan of Centident. I watch his channel through memory, I think. I call it memory. Where did I seen this? Skip this part. Never skip a part. Never skip a part that's hard. Because I died. I just died. Oh, what a pro he is. He's still having his big head. That's why. I think I'll end it up here. Goodbye.